welcome back to another nail video on my channel. I'm so excited to be back with one of these. I'm so excited to finally do my nails again. I haven't done them in like 3 months basically since I gave birth, but I'm just doing these really simple fall nails. I'm trying out an airbrush machine for the first time, and let's just get into it. Starting off with some cuticle care. I didn't have everything that I needed for this set, unfortunately, so I didn't have my cuticle lotion that I usually use. I ended up just putting some like cuticle oil on and started pushing back my cuticles with the cuticle scraper and trying to lift any of that dead skin that was coming up. I had a lot of dead skin, and you guys will see I did end up going in and nipping my cuticles because I haven't done absolutely anything to my nails in the past 3 months besides bite them, because you would think by now that they would be like long and luscious and, you know, would have some length. I do have a little bit of length, you guys can see that, but you would think there'd be way more. But I'm a horrible nail biter. I basically had a lot of cuticle care to do, and that's what I'm doing here. I'm being super careful. I really don't like using the like cuticle nippers on my cuticles. I don't do this really often, but since I haven't done it in a long time, I did need to take care of that skin. I'm also going in with a football shaped cuticle bit and going to lift up any of that dead skin around the cuticle area and just make sure all of that is nice and clean so that my gel extensions sit really nicely and last long on my nails. But yeah, like I mentioned, if you don't keep up with me personally, you don't watch my vlogs or anything like that, and you're just here for the nail videos, I 100% understand. But I just gave birth to a baby boy. Well, not just, but it feels like it was just yesterday, and he's already 3 months old, which is crazy. But yeah, I have been learning how to be a new mom, and I haven't done nails because nails were just at the very back of my mind. Like the last thing I was worried about were my nails, but I feel like I'm at a point where I'm just like, I want my nails back, I want my personality back. And yeah, I decided to do my nails while he napped today. I was low-key in a little bit of a rush because I wanted to get this all done in one nap session. So for this set, I'm using the medium round gel extensions from Airbrush. They're one of my favorite styles to use. I think they're like the perfect length, not too long, not too short. And I also love the way that they make my fingers look more elongated because I feel like I have little chubby fingers, but I really do like this style. And I usually like to go in with this Gel X tip primer on all the nail tips, and this helps adhere the nails better to my natural nails because it etches the inside, which means it just kind of roughens it up and gives it some texture and makes the gel polish have something better to stick to, if that makes sense. But I actually ran out of the Gel X tip primer and ended up just using my regular nail primer, which I think works just as well. I feel like the Gel X tip primer is just a way of getting you to purchase something extra, you know, but it's all the same stuff. It's literally like primer's primer. After I'm done doing that, I went ahead and applied the extensions with my gel extension glue. This is a sensitive version also from Airbrush. I'm basically just using everything that I have left over. I'm in dire need to restock and re-up on a lot of my products. I don't know why, but I've always used the sensitive version of the gel extension glue ever since the first time I purchased from Airbrush. I don't have like any known allergies to anything in gel polish, but for some reason I picked this one up and I've just been sticking to it. So to apply the gel extension glue, I just cover the inside of the nail tip only where it's going to sit on my nail bed. And then I make sure to add a little extra down the center. So you guys will see I kind of do like a thin layer from sidewall to sidewall. And then I just like drip a little bit down the middle. And this really gives me like the perfect amount, not too much, not too little. Make sure that I don't have any air bubbles, and also make sure that not too much, if any, is oozing out of the sides when I apply the nail. I go ahead and just repeat this step for every single one of my nails, and I'm also flash curing for about 10 to 15 seconds under my mini flash cure lamp. And once I have all 5 nails on each hand, I go ahead and cure it in my big lamp for 60 seconds. So once all the nail tips are on, I just went ahead and hand filed them to get rid of the sharp edges. And then I'm going in with the sanding band on my e-file to remove the shine from the nails. And I'll also be using this to thin out the area around the cuticle as well. So once the nails are buff and filed the way I want, I'm going to go ahead and apply my base color. I'm using this brown color. It's the number 333 from a brand that I do not know how to pronounce this name. I don't know if it's Rarjism or it's just RARJSM, but I got this like pack of browns and nude polishes from Amazon. I'll make sure to link everything that I use, or try my best to link everything that I use in this video in the description box below if you are interested in anything. But yeah, I'm just using this brown color all over. I wanted to keep these nails super simple, something just really quick for me to do because I really didn't have much time. And I ended up applying 2 coats of this color. And now for the fun part. I tried using a airbrush machine for the first time. If you guys watched any of my older videos, you guys know that I did try the airbrush hack method using eyeshadow, and I thought that came out pretty good, but I really wanted to try out an airbrush machine, and I think I got this one for, I think it was like 30 bucks, like 25-30 bucks, also from Amazon. I honestly just picked one of the first ones that came up. I didn't really do much research, but I'm gonna have to give you guys like a better review of this once I use it again, because I was struggling a little bit. When I started these nails, I thought I was gonna do some sort of brown with like a lighter nude for the airbrush portion, but then I saw these purples and I thought like brown and purple would look really pretty for fall. And I did like the way this color combo came out in the end, and I think the nails looked really pretty in the end, but it was a struggle to get here. It honestly took me way longer than I thought it would using the airbrush machine. I had to like do so many layers just to get the desired look I was going for. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be trying this machine out again, and I'll give you guys like a better or updated review of it. But airbrush nails are so trendy, and there's so many different designs that you can do. I honestly feel like no matter what, if you do some sort of airbrush nails, it's gonna come out cute, it's gonna look really pretty. So I'm excited to see what other ways I can use this in the future. So this is basically the final look of the nails. I think they came out really pretty. They're like super subtle. I love the brown and purple together, especially for fall. I think it's a really good color combo that I don't see often. And you know you cannot finish any nail set without adding some cuticle oil to rehydrate the skin around your nails. I actually made this cuticle oil and it smells like marshmallow. It smells so good. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more nail videos, please leave a comment down below. I'm gonna try my best to keep up with the nail content and just be more consistent with doing my nails. I really miss doing my nails, and I also miss filming and sharing these videos with you guys. They're actually so fun to make, and I get pretty nails out of it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel before you go, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.